There's a place where time slows down, where the sun kisses the horizon in colors you've never imagined, and where legends whisper through the waves. Welcome to Negril, Jamaica, a land of breathtaking beauty, deep-rooted culture, and secrets waiting to be uncovered. But beyond the world-famous beaches and carefree island vibes, Negril holds something far deeper, a spiritual heart that beats to the rhythm of reggae. A land where the Rastafari movement thrives, and where ancient traditions still shape the lives of the people. Today, we're uncovering the mystery, beauty, and culture of Negril, Jamaica. Negril is famous for its 7-mile beach, a stretch of golden sand and crystal-clear waters. But few know that beneath these waters lie coral formations and sunken relics from the days of European explorers and pirates. Or could lost treasures still rest beneath these waves? Some divers believe so. Beyond the beach, Negril's limestone cliffs hide a world of secret caves, once used by pirates smuggling goods. Even today, locals tell stories of lost gold and spirits guarding these hidden spots. But what truly makes Negril special is its people, and at the heart of it all is the Rastafari movement. More than just a religion, Rastafari is a way of life, a philosophy that connects people with nature, spiritual freedom, and resistance against oppression. The movement traces back to Marcus Garvey, a Jamaican political leader and activist who preached African unity and self-determination. Garvey prophesied that a great king would rise in Africa and lead people of African descent to freedom. That prophecy became reality in 1930, when Haile Selassie I was crowned Emperor of Ethiopia. To Rastafarians, Haile Selassie I is more than just a king, he is the Lion of Judah, the living God, a direct descendant of King Solomon and the biblical Queen of Sheba. His leadership and resistance against European colonial powers made him a symbol of strength, and Negril became one of the places where his followers embraced his teachings. Even though Haile Selassie I never claimed divinity himself, his speeches about peace, unity, and African liberation became the foundation of the Rastafari movement. And to this day, his words echo through Negril, in the music, in the chants, and in the way of life. Here in Negril, you'll find Rasta villages where life is simple and spiritual. No processed foods, no alcohol, just fresh fruits, herbs, and a connection to the land. The Ital diet, free from chemicals and artificial additives, is more than just a way of eating, it's a philosophy of purity and balance. Music is also a form of prayer in Rastafari culture. The rhythmic Nyabingi drumming represents the heartbeat of the movement, a sound that echoes through Negril's hills and beaches, carrying messages of unity and faith. And then, there's reggae, the sound of Jamaica. Bob Marley, the most famous Rastafarian, helped spread the philosophy worldwide through his music. His songs weren't just entertainment, they were messages of peace, resistance, and love. And in Negril, reggae isn't just a genre, it's a language, a history, and a way of life. But Negril has its mysteries too. Some people believe the spirits of the Taino people, Jamaica's first inhabitants, still watch over their sacred spaces. And then, there's the legend of the Negril caves. Some divers claim to have seen strange underwater tunnels leading to unknown destinations. Or could these be forgotten escape routes from the pirate days or something even older? Negril isn't just a place, it's a feeling. It's where time slows, where strangers become family, and where the land and sea tell stories older than we can imagine. From the spirit of Haile Selassie I to the sound of reggae, from the mystical caves to the golden beaches, Negril is a land of beauty, mystery, and soul. Maybe it's the rhythm of the waves, the energy of the cliffs, or the whispers of history in the wind, but something about Negril stays with you long after you leave. And perhaps, that's its greatest mystery of all. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know, what do you think is Negril's greatest mystery? Until next time, keep exploring the unknown, where the journey never ends. Last Compass Mysteries.